we are doing Mount Roberts in Rossland in the Kootenays. And it's supposed to be 4 hours. There's obviously one other person on the trail. And so yeah, 4 hours round trip. And you get up there and you have a great view of Rossland, and there's a Canadian flag up there and everything. We're kind of doing this later in the day, which we don't usually do. We usually do our hiking early, but it's all good. We got our bear spray, which I'm gonna probably have on hand. Someone saw a bear up here recently. So. Well, there's bears everywhere here. It's the Kootenays, for God's sakes. It's a black diamond, so as you can see, it's not gonna be too easy for us here. But we're hoping it's wildflower season. So that'd be awesome. Well, there's lots of wildflowers already, but one of our favorites. Oh yeah. Love these things. They're so delicious. Yeah. At least the bears will be full of berries. Maybe they won't want to eat us. Got my bear spray. They might not like dark meat. So we came to a fork in the road already. We're wondering which way, but I think we'll go up. Is that a, oh yeah. Okay, there's a little marker there. Perfect. I'm paranoid already. Ah! Hey, blueberries. What? She doesn't want me to pick berries, but there's so many wild berries. They're delicious. So there's literally thousands of blueberries everywhere. We gotta get up the hill. But man, if you really want to pick them, all organic. And these berries too, which are also delicious. And I've been picking tons, but gotta get up that trail. Don't want it to take 6 hours. We're dying already. Sweat, dripping.
It's 12 o'clock, so.
Oh God. It's like 28 degrees here, and we decided to hike a mountain, and it's a black diamond. It's straight up the hill, and now I know why. Drip, drip. Yodelay hee hoo. Squirrely pie. Well, it started to rain, and it might be a welcome thing, because we're dying. At least I am. I'm always the one dying. I'm sweating so bad. This is a hard hike. Oh! We're just going along, and there's like the parts to a little kid's tricycle. Just hanging. Oh, whoa. It looks super old though, hey?
It's rustic.
How the hell did that get up here? That's what I want to know. That's bizarre. Now we got some huckleberries. They're more black. They're bigger too, but they're really similar to blueberries. Just a berry fest out here. Good for hydration while we're getting up this hill though. Yeah, you can see, like, look how black they are compared to the blueberries. Now we got Saskatoon berries. It's awesome this time of year.
Berries.
First time we're seeing somewhat of an opening here. We can see some mountaintops now and stuff, so hopefully we're getting close. All right, there's another fork in the trail, but as you can see, you just keep going up. This is the first flat spot. Nice place for a tent, maybe. But this is where we belong. Up. Up and up and up. And bears! Ah, bears! I mean, bears! So, we kind of came off the main trail there. And now we're just bushwhacking straight up the mountain. This is where it gets real hard.
Look,
Ooh, blueberries.
that's huge.
Yeah, they're so big. God, they taste good. So flavorful. Whew. Barely catch my breath. All right, we're literally like going vertical now. Like, we're climbing up the mountain now. Whew. Wow, guys. This is for real. We're going straight up the mountain. Coming down is gonna be pleasant. We're bouldering now, guys. Literally climbing over boulders. Straight up the mountain. We just passed a group of people and they said we have about an hour. Oh wow.
And you need to shimmy.
And they said it gets even more extreme. And look at that. Just climbing up boulders. All right, here I go. Look at this. This is the most extreme hike we've done, I think. You know what I mean? Climbing up these cracks and stuff. It's craziness. Good view though. Look at that way off in the distance there. That could be Valhalla. I'm not sure. Whew, great view. This is a scramble and a half.
Dying.
We're just scrambling right up this fucking hillside, like straight up. Craziest hike we've ever done. There's our Airbnb way down there. So we're just working and working and working. We're hoping we get close to the top, and every time we get over a peak, there's another one. And then we get to this and we see that way up there. We still got a long hike ahead of us. And we're actually getting higher than most of the mountains around. Other than maybe like Valhalla over there, but once we get to the top of this, man, it's probably one of the tallest mountains. Whew. Hopefully we make it. I'm dying. We didn't bring enough water, that's for sure. We're so high up now. The altitude's brutal. It's hard to catch your breath. Holy. That's great. Tons of wildflowers up here. All different kinds. It's beautiful. But we're gonna die. This is quite a wild hike, guys. Not for the faint of heart, that's for sure. But we are way up there. So high up. That's Granite Mountain right across from us. I think it's a ski hill of some sort. I believe this is Red Mountain down here. Another ski hill. Whew. We're almost there. We can see the pole up there. There's supposed to be a Canadian flag up there. Look at that, guys. Big giant cliff. I guess we're going up that way. Whew. Some sketchy bouldering ahead. It's getting for real here. Don't make any wrong moves. Here we go at last. The bench of salvation. The bench of salvation. No Canadian flag anymore. That's a bummer. But we're here. That's all that's important. Woo! Centennial Flagpole. The flagpole was erected with the assistance of Cumming. What was that? Cummingco? 1897. That's when Rossland began. You can see Rossland down there. Look at that big peak over there. Is that Old Glory? That might be Old Glory Mountain there. The only mountain that's higher, basically. This one maybe a little bit. And then over in Valhalla, those might be a bit higher, but one of the highest mountains we're on here. We made it! On top of the world! All right, guys. Well, the unpredictable nature of Kootenays has showed itself, and I'm getting a little scared being up on top of this high peak.
Better go.
We don't want to get hit by lightning. This is amazing.
But we made it.
We made it. We conquered it, and I think we're getting the hell out of here. You got everything you need?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Woo-hoo! Oh, I felt a raindrop. Shit. Oh no! Oh fuck, it's coming down hard. Oh shit. My shirt. Those are big raindrops, look at them. Yeah, we have to take our time. Hopefully we can get to the trees before it gets really bad. All right, I'm putting the camera away. Don't want to get it wet. All right, guys, it's hailing up here. Look at that.
God, I hope it's not the big one.
Yeah, we're hoping. Holy crap. Well, now you know what can happen up in the Alpine. In the middle of summer, middle of August. Freaking hail. Yeah, let's hope this doesn't get too bad. This could get really shitty. Ooh, I can drink this. I'm so thirsty. Damn, wow, it's really coming down. Oh man, we're getting soaked now. Shit. I think it's inevitable. All right, guys, that was
Exhausted.
the hardest hike. I'm telling you, our bodies are sore. So probably took us 5 hours. Took us 5 hours, probably almost 2 hours down. Yeah, hell of a hard hike, guys. We're gonna go lick our wounds and recuperate for sure. And I think tomorrow, if we do hike, it's gonna be gentle. Yeah, we got caught in a crazy storm up there, got soaking wet. I put the camera away for a while and just focused on getting down the mountain. And, you know, cool us down, that's for sure. Anyways.